Ready to ditch fast fashion and rock a totally unique, perfectly fitted plaid skirt that screams you. First, let's talk fabric. Choose a medium weight plaid. Think wool blends, cotton, or even a polyviscose. Consider the scale of the plaid. Smaller patterns are generally easier to work with for beginners. Pre-wash your fabric to avoid shrinkage later. Next, it's measuring time. Grab a flexible measuring tape and accurately measure your waist and hips at their widest points. Also, measure the desired length of your skirt from your waist to where you want the hem to fall. Write these down. Now, onto pattern drafting. We're creating a basic aligned skirt pattern on pattern paper. Create a rectangle using your hip measurement divided by 2 for the width, and your desired skirt length for the height. Then, from the top corner, curve inward to create the waistline. Using your waist measurement divided by 2, add seam allowances, typically 5/8 inch all around the pattern. Time to cut. Lay your fabric flat, right side up. This is crucial. Carefully match the plaid lines at the seams. Pin your pattern pieces to the fabric, ensuring the plaid pattern aligns seamlessly. Cut out your fabric pieces, one for the front and one for the back, using sharp fabric scissors. Let's sew with right sides together. Pin the side seams of your skirt using a straight stitch and your chosen seam allowance, so the side seams from the waist to the hem. Press the seams open to reduce bulk. Now for the closure. Insert an invisible zipper into the back seam for a professional finish. There are tons of great tutorials online if you're new to invisible zippers. If you prefer, you can also use buttons or elastic waistband. Hemming is next. Fold the raw edge of the hem up by about 1/2 inch. Press, and then fold it up again by your desired hem depth, usually another 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Press again, pin in place, and stitch close to the folded edge. And voila, you've just created a stunning, custom-fit plaid skirt. Style it with your favorite top, shoes, and accessories, and get ready to turn heads. Don't forget to share your creations using #DIY fashion and #PlaidSkirt. Happy sewing!